The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the bike on ignition. Hop. Watch. Not retracted. Hello guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And today we're going to check with the MotoScan app the switch of my side stand. Because I renewed the bushing, got everything away, also the switch, and I mounted it all back. But of course I like to check if my switch is placed in the right way and just have fun. So come on over and we start. Guys, first thing we're gonna do, take the buddy seat off. Is that difficult? Very difficult. You have to need a lot of schooling and practicing and to get this off. But guys, not with this bike. So easy. Hop. This one too. The keys go into the ignition. We're not gonna put the bike on ignition right away. Not now. Got the cap off. Guys, we're gonna grab the MotoScan. The hardware of the MotoScan app. If you have a Beamer, buy this one. Look in the description. I said it a zillion times. It's so deadly cheap, and guys, if you have to bring it one time to a dealer, you already pay 3 times more than this costs. Well, the first thing we're gonna do, hoppa, connect the cable. Hoppa. Here I got my Bluetooth interface. It's an OBD2 Bluetooth interface. It's the MotoScan UCSI 2100. Works great. Look in the description. Hop. Put that on. This out of the way. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the bike on ignition. Hop. Wait for the Atari, finish all his magic. Take your phone, open the MotoScan app. First thing I always do, as you know by now, is do an adapter check. So I'm 100% sure that my Bluetooth interface is connected with my phone. And that's easy. Adapter check, MotoScan found, present, so that's found. Okay, scroll down. Guys, 3 times yes in green. Green is always good. Then we go back. This is an R series and it's a K25. Okay. Then we go to engine electronics, MOT. Okay. First thing I always do is a trouble code, reading trouble codes, you never know. No trouble codes found, that's already good. Then we go to live data. And then you add parameters. First thing we're going to do is put secondary air valve out, BTEF, I have no idea what that is, and lambda sensor out. Okay, we wipe them, oh no, not we wipe them, we wipe them for now. Then we go to input digital, scroll down, side stand after a diagnose. That's the one we want. Go back, and then here you see it stand, then say play. Now it's checked. Then, watch. Not retracted. Retracted. So, my center stand works perfect. Then we close the MotoScan app. Okay. Yes. I put the bike off ignition. Okay. Then this one and this one out of the way. And we're gonna put the buddy seats back on. Hop, hop. Guys, why is it important that we know how to check your side stand switch? Now, well, because if your switch is every now and then malfunctioning, or malfunctioning for just a split second, then guys, your bike shuts off at a traffic light, or it, while you're driving, it suddenly do like this, and you have no idea what it is. So, grab the MotoScan app and its hardware and check if your side stand is working properly at the right spots, on, off. Now guys, this was my video. How to check your side stand switch with the MotoScan app. It's so easy, you can do it. I hope you liked this video. I learned a few things, and if you did, well hey, subscribe to my channel. Easy. And you always can unsubscribe whenever you want. So, for now, Old Mechanic out.